कोरोना महामारी के दौरान पर्यटन उद्योग पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो गया और भारत के पूर्वोत्तर राज्य खास तौर पर जहां ज्यादातर पर्यटन स्थल है, महामारी के दौरान यात्राओं पर प्रतिबंध लगने से पर्यटन उद्योग पर पूरी तरह से ताला लग गया। वर्टिकल बार जिसको देखते हुए देश का पर्यटन मंत्रालय अब फिर से पर्यटन उद्योग को जीवित करने के लिए हर संभव प्रयास कर रहा है। इस सिलसिले में भारत सरकार के उत्तर पूर्व पर्यटन मंत्रालय के रीजनल डायरेक्टर एस देव वर्मन ने बताया कि इस क्षेत्र में बंद हो चुके पर्यटन उद्योग को पुनर्जीवित करने के लिए पर्यटन मंत्रालय नए नए तरीकों और रणनीति बना रहा है। वर्टिकल बार वर्मन ने बताया कि अभी हाल ही में केंद्रीय पर्यटन मंत्रालय में नए मंत्री जी किशन रेड्डी ने पर्यटन मंत्री के रूप में पदभार संभाला है और यह उम्मीद है कि उनकी नेतृत्व में पर्यटन मंत्रालय पर्यटन उद्योग को उभारने में सफलता हासिल कर पाएगा। वर्टिकल बार साथ ही वर्मन ने बताया कि पर्यटन उद्योग को उभारने की रणनीतियों में सरकार ने अब इसमें निजी भागीदारी को आमंत्रित कर रही है।
Damages happened due to the pandemic, really, I mean, unaccountable, and Northeast suffered much. Northeast India suffered much, I mean, the tourism industry completely devastated due to this global pandemic. Now, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India has taken a lot of initiatives to develop this region. As you know that we have got a new minister, Mr. Jagannath Reddy, and he is also cabinet minister, and he is also in charge of donor. So now we hope that there will be huge that development, and the momentum of the development will be now very fast. Now, as far as resurgence is concerned, this place has a tremendous possibility because due to the continuous lockdown and onslaught of COVID-19, people are really very stressed and tense, especially when someone get confined within the four walls. He or she is supposed to be tense and stressed, We human beings always try to go out of the our own limit, and we want to explore. This is actually ingrained in our genetical structure. Now, there are some popular tourist destinations also, but those tourist destinations may not be that popular for the next few years, Now, due to the pandemic has not been till now completely gone away. It is still there. Now, what will happen? People will, instead of going to the popular tourist destinations, people will rather go for for the relaxations and other kind of things, for mental relaxations, or they will try to get relaxed and get stressed free type of things, For that kind of things, the tourism products of Northeast is an ideal. Why? Our 90% tourism products are based on nature. So we have the tremendous nature-based tourism products. So certainly people will come over here and they will try to get relaxed. They will try to explore themselves in the green, in the greenery. They will try to get good solace in the lap of the mountains, So we have everything over here. So we are very much hopeful that as the tourism has now started opening up and the COVID protocol also bit relaxed, now there will be huge surge in the tourism sectors. And now, along with the government, how the private stakeholders are tapping that possibility, that depends everybody. That depends on them also.
So, sir,
We have been keep on telling that tourism is necessary. Tourism is necessary for the development. We are not trying to stop you, but how you need to develop or promote it. We need a responsible tourism, That's why, I mean, you need to be social awareness is very much important. That's why I told also that our that tourism products in Northeast is not ideal for this kind of thing. Whenever you are going for trekking, you, I mean, 100% as for the trekking is concerned, you need to maintain the social distance. Okay, and whenever you are going in the middle of the greenery in the forest or jungles, you need to maintain the peace and calmness over there. So you cannot make noises, etc. Over there. So those kind of things. When we are talking the responsible tourism means maintain the COVID protocol, maintain social distance. Don't forget to put on the mask. Now I am giving the interview, that's why I put on the mask. So these kind of things need to be maintained.